Hi, my name is Tony.
I'm Catherine.
We are from Rezt+Relax, and this is our latest project in Commonwealth Tower. The homeowners wanted to have a toned-down interior design. The living area has a featured stucco wall with spoon effect with wooden panels on both sides, while a simple geometric pattern is painted on the ceiling for some quirky touch.
Mirrors are placed in generous portion in the dining area to make the space appear that much bigger.
A platform bed and a study can be found in the daughter's room, while the master bedroom enjoys the sophisticated look that the floor-to-ceiling momentum wall creates. Thank you for watching.
With Rezt+Relax Interior, once a customer, always a customer.